So, grab a pencil and let's draw together. Draw a circle and a C. Join both. Now draw the body. After that, draw two circular eyes. Put on a smile. Hand is similar to alphabet Y. She is wearing round necklace and diamond-shaped chain. You can pause the video to catch up with me. Use alphabet D to draw the feet. Draw a big circle and the body of Daddy Pig. Now Y-shaped hand. Add oval-shaped cute eyes. And round nose. Finally, D-shaped feet. Draw a round face. The two Y-shaped hands. Big round eyes. Triangle-shaped nose. And ears of Peppa Pig. Oops, I forgot to draw U-shaped ears of Mommy and Daddy Pig. Drawing octopus-like tail. Adding a star and music tunes. P E P P A Peppa F A M I L Y family. Coloring the body of Mummy. And Daddy Pig. For more fun videos, subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Bye-bye.